video effect that you guys just saw is something that Insta360 is calling the stop motion effect. And I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this using your Insta360 camera and the really easy to use app on your phone. Now this isn't true stop motion because we're not taking pictures and then putting them together to make a video. Rather, this is almost like reverse engineered stop motion, where we're going to take a video and then the AI in the app is going to go through and pull frames from that video and then make another video from that. Anyway, I think it's really cool. You can recreate this in 3 different styles. There's forward, static, and then definitely my favorite, backwards. So to create this effect, all you got to do is take your Insta360 camera, put it on a short selfie stick. A 4-foot long one seems to be about the optimal size. And then holding the camera straight out to the side, you can start walking. And you're going to want to walk for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't really want to go shorter than that because your finished video is going to be shorter than whatever you shoot. Quite a bit shorter, actually. So make sure you go 2 to 3 minutes. You can go longer, just don't go shorter than that. Now getting out your phone, we're going to open up the app and start editing the video that we took. First, make sure that you're connected to your camera's Wi-Fi. Then you can go ahead and head over into the Insta360 app. From here, select the video that you want, open it up, and hit the download button. Once it's downloaded, click on the Stories button. Then scroll over to Shot Lab. Select the stop motion option. Click on the Apply button. Find your video and hit confirm. So scroll around until you find yourself in the video, then tap and hold for it to start tracking you. It may take a while to render the tracking, but then once that's done, you'll see some option buttons for forward, static, and backwards. Select the one that you want and hit preview. Once it's done rendering the preview, you can watch it and make sure it looks the way that you want. If it does, then you can hit the export button at the top here. This will export at 1080p. Now, if you want to export at higher resolutions, click over here on the right. Click on the top right corner again, and then hit Quick Export. And now you'll see options for higher bitrate and higher resolution. So I'm going to turn those all the way up and hit Save. And now you're exporting your video and you can watch it on your phone. So that's all there is to it, guys. Go try it out, have fun, watch more of my videos right here if you want an Insta360 camera. Link in the description below. See you guys next time.